Okay, so we are right here, and we're gonna go all the way around here to back right there. This sucks real good. Nobody says anything on all trails or anything that you're starting out with sand and lots of it. Oh, and it's slippery. This terrain is crazy. It feels so good in here. According to the map, that was the best part. That was the best part, so enjoy. I'm like digging this wind, even though I complained about it at first. What a view. There's 360-degree views all the way around. I'd say that's a highlight to end the hike. Seeing bighorn sheep and shit. And a bunch of them, a herd. This place is insane. I mean, it's just insane. It is so cool looking. So it's a relatively easy hike. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So with this hike being so short, it was about 1.25 miles, we decided to check out the rest of the park. So we went to Mouse's Tank Trail. So from the information board, Mouse was an outlaw and he used to hide in the area for weeks or months at a time because there was a water hole where he could get fresh water. And on the hike, you see a lot of petroglyphs. and they think that those petroglyphs are from 2,000 to 4,000 years ago, which is insane. And you can walk right up to them. Obviously don't touch them, but they're right there, right on the rock. Super awesome to see. So the watering hole that Mouse used to use, it was a part of the canyon where the water would settle and it would just sit there. So the end of the trail is this water hole. While we got there, the water was bone dry. There was nothing in sight. So the hike itself was less than a mile. It says it's 3/4 of a mile. To me, I think the story is a lot cooler and a lot more appealing than the actual hike. Seeing the writing and the petroglyphs on the rock was a lot more appealing to see in person than the actual trail. And again, the mouse's story is a better story than the actual trail was, if that makes sense. After that, we headed on down to see the Petrified Tree. So this isn't a hike. This is more of a, you park on the side of the road, you walk a few feet, and behind a chain link fence is this petrified rock. And the texture on it was awesome. It looks so cool. Now, my wife said it looks like just any stone, but when you really look at the texture, you can see the wood grain that is in this petrified log. And they think that it came from millions of years ago from a storm, and it settled right there. So it was really awesome to see that. So if you're in the area, definitely go look at this petrified log. It's awesome. After that, we drove down to see the arch, which I was a little disappointed with. I thought the arch was going to be a lot bigger, a lot more wow factor. But it was just a small arch. Still awesome to see. It's right offside the road, or you can hike around the rock and look at it from the other side. Again, cool to see. I just pictured the huge arches like in Utah or something of that magnitude. Nothing that was as small as it was. But if you are in the area, go check out Valley of the Fire State Park. It is such an awesome park. Even if you don't do any hiking, just walking around the place, seeing the textures of the rock. It was definitely an awesome experience, and I was so happy that we went and got to check it out. And being able to see the bighorn sheep at the end of our hike. Could not ask for a better day. So to enter the park, we took exit 75 off Las Vegas Highway 15. And right off the exit there is a gas station. Beside that gas station is a taco truck, and I would definitely recommend stopping and trying that taco truck. It was very, very good, and it was definitely affordable. So definitely check out the taco truck. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.